We are live. Are you ready for your next external audit? Or does the thought send shivers down your spine? Let's face it, hearing the word audit might feel like getting called into the principal's office. Stressful, right? But what if I told you that preparing for an audit can actually boost your business and reduce stress? Stick around and I'll show you how to prepare like a pro, step by step. Hi, my name is Data Ogupola, and today we are diving into the essential steps to ace your external audit. And mind you, my topic today is audit success, how to prepare for an external audit like a pro. And that's what you will be by the time you watch this video. So join me in watching this video. Like I told you earlier on, I said let's face it, this stress can be removed. So whether you are running a small business or managing a large enterprise, these tips will make your audit smoother and even strengthen your business operations. So let's move on. What are the things that you need to know? Number one, understand the scope of the audit. Start by having a clear conversation with your auditor. Will they focus on financial statements, compliance, or specific operational processes? Understanding their goals, the auditor's goal, upfront will save you time and headaches later. Number two thing you need to do, organize your financial records. Organize your financial record. Think of this as tidying up your house before guests arrive. Ensure all your financial records are accurate, complete, and up to date. This means pulling together your general ledger, tax filings, and even bank reconciliations. Trust me, organized records are half the battle won. Organized records are your business defense system. Do you have any weak spots? That's where the problem always lies. Now is the time to fix them. Now is the time to fix them. If needed, bring in an expert to ensure your processes meet best practices. Number four, reconcile accounts. Reconcile accounts. Before the audit kicks off, reconcile everything: bank accounts, ledgers, and even petty cash. This ensures your financial statements are accurate and any discrepancies are resolved beforehand. Number five, prepare supporting documents. Prepare supporting documents, or ensure you carry out supporting documentation. Auditors love supporting documents. When we are talking about supporting documents, we are talking about your invoices, contracts, receipts, vouchers. Having these at your fingertips can save time and keep things moving smoothly. And of course, number 6, conduct a pre-audit review. A pre-audit review. Do a practice run. Conduct your own internal review to catch potential issues before the auditors do. It's like a dress rehearsal. Iron out their wrinkles ahead of time. Second to the last point, communicate with your team. Communicate with your team. An audit isn't one person show. No. Let your team know what is happening and their roles in the process. This ensures everyone is on the same page and ready to assist. Last but not the least, on what you need to do before the auditors come. Number 8, leverage technology. Leverage technology. The right tools make all the difference. Use accounting software to generate reports, track transactions, and keep everything organized. Automation is your friend here. Automation is your friend here. Maybe I need to go through this once more, just give you the title. These are the things you need to do before the auditors come. Number 1, understand the scope of the audit. Number 2, organize your financial records. Number 3, review your internal controls. Number 4, reconcile accounts. Number 5, prepare supporting documents. Number 6, conduct a pre-audit review. And number 7, communicate with your team. Number 8, which is the last one, leverage technology. Leverage technology. Leverage technology. Before we move further into the benefits of audit readiness, I would like you to share this video. Share it to your fellow businessmen. Share it to your fellow entrepreneur. And also, I want you to like this video. Like this video. And if you have a question or suggestion of whatever is happening to you in this area, you can always ask all questions by way of comments. Ask questions. Contribute. Let's know your own experience too. And if you are joining us for the very first time, ensure you follow us. If you are watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and of course click the bell so that we can always let you know our next about our next video. So let's look at the benefits. Let's talk about the rewards of being prepared for an external audit. Trust me, the benefits are worth it. The benefits are worth it. Number 1 is improved financial management. Audit readiness means your records are always in top shape. In top shape. And if your records is in top shape, then your financial management is top notch. Number 2, enhance credibility. A successful audit has trust with investors, lenders, and other stakeholders. When you are always getting ready, then it enhances your credibility. Number 3, regulatory compliance. It shows you are serious about meeting legal requirements. And lastly but not the least is business growth. Strong financial and internal controls position you for expansion. For a good expansion, we cannot cause any problem to your business. I'd like to just close here by letting you know that audits don't have to be overwhelming. By staying organized, communicating with your team, and leveraging technology, you are not just preparing for an audit, you are setting your business up for long-term success. That is to let you know that you are a better off business. So, if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your network. And don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. Here is to your audit success. And I'd like to let you know, if you have questions or you need help in preparing for an audit, contact us at Taisha Associates. Contact us at Taisha Associates. And of course, we are always ready to help. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time to listen to me. I appreciate you. And until I come your way next week, I say all the best. God bless you.